Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside After Effects with your composition open. Make a quick backup because deletes can't be undone across sessions. Select the exact layer or footage item in the timeline. Click once to highlight it. If you need precise trimming first, press B or N to set in /out, then scrub to confirm. Once you have the clip selected, pause and check that any parent or linked layers won't break. This prevents accidental gaps later. Once the clip is selected, you can simply press delete to remove the layer from the timeline. That's immediate and clean. If you need to remove only keyframes or masks, choose the property, then edit clear or hit backspace for selective clearing. To replace instead of delete, right-click the layer and choose Replace Footage. That preserves timing. Make sure to check any expressions or parents. If they reference the deleted layer, you'll need to rewire or disable them first. After deletion, tidy the timeline. Trim neighboring layers or use the ripple trim technique to close gaps so your edit remains tight. Save a new version once satisfied, and render a short section to confirm everything plays. If something goes wrong, use undo immediately or file revert to restore the last saved state. If expressions break, open each affected layer's expression and fix or remove references to the deleted clip. This restores stability and prevents render errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.